Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Berry, and for my final individual project, I have chosen to do a restaurant business that me and my good friend Leo will be starting up. Alright, so here's our company description. Company description is we are looking to make authentic Indian food that we have learned from our parents, that they have taught us as we were growing up, and we're going to use both of our parents' knowledge that we've learned that they have given us to open our own restaurant. And our restaurant, our location, we're planning to open it in Fremont, California. For those of you who don't know, that is in the Bay Area. And in Fremont, California, there is like a lot of different cultures, different people from different religions that live over there. And that is my hometown where I grew up. So in Fremont, when I grew up, there was a lot of Indians or a lot of different Asians that lived there, like a lot of different cultural diversity over there. And then we feel just mainly because of the cultural diversity that would be the best location to open a restaurant. And then our motto, we will keep serving you until you get into a food coma. Pretty much. Our mission. Our mission is in our restaurant is to offer you amazing customer service and matching it with even better food. Our number one priority are our customers. If our customers are not happy, we are not happy. We want our customers to have a great experience with not only them, but also with their family. If they come with their family should also enjoy as much as they do. Alright, and here we come to product and services. Our restaurant will be an all-you-can-eat buffet. Well, there'll be like a bunch of different dishes on, like in the front of the restaurant where you can just grab a plate, take whatever you'd like, and eat as much as you want. And in our dishes, in our buffet, they'll include some dishes like chicken curry, goat curry, some vegetable dishes, some vegetable curry. For those of you who are vegan, there'll be vegetable options as well. And we'll also be offering several traditional, authentic Indian desserts, such as like Indian ice cream and some other Indian sweets as well. Our competitive edge, we want to be able to serve all types of ages, senior adults, and young children. So for those people who are not interested in the buffet, like it may be too expensive for them, or they just don't want to eat as much, there will be a separate menu for them, and there'll be a separate menu for kids who just want to eat from the kids menu, or there'll be a 55 and over menu for our senior adults. And then these separate menus will be at a much lower price compared to the buffet prices as well. So our marketing info, as you can see, since from 1970 all the way to 2016, the restaurant industry sales just keep going up. So obviously it's a great industry to be in. Considering starting in 1970, it's at 42.8 billion, then it goes to 119, to 239, 379, 586, now all the way to 782.7 billion dollars in sales. So as you can see, the restaurant industry is definitely booming. And then our target customers, our target market. So we want to target like large families with a lot of kids, and then who work full time, whoever in the family was mainly working full time, and they don't have time to make food. So we want them to be able to come to our restaurant and offer them our services of giving them amazing food. And then of course, when people go out with their family, they want to be in a kid friendly restaurant. So that's what we want to be as well. All right, for a startup, it costs about $425,000 to open a restaurant. That's like the average restaurant people try to start. But for our, we'll need at least to start up $630,000, mainly because when it comes to Indian restaurant, you need a little extra more supplies in making food than you would the average American restaurant. And in most restaurants, it's the limit is 100 people. We want to make it to at least 200 or 250 people. And then for our the times we'll be open 7 days a week from 9 a.m. to midnight. That way, people that come off late from work, if they don't want to make dinner or they don't have time, they can come here and eat with us because we'll be open until midnight. And then so for our lunch times, our units sold goal is 400, with our lunch buffet being at least being 10.99 for our lunch buffet, and then for dinner it'll be at 22.99 for dinner and 900 units sold. And thank you for listening, and I really hope you come to our restaurant and you have a great time. Thank you.